Congratulations on purchasing a new Damn Easy flood barrier. This video will walk you through the steps to remove your new Damn Easy flood barrier from its packaging without damage, so you can start enjoying it right away. If you watch this video and follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully, you will avoid common mistakes like damaging the pump handle and ratchet. Do not use a box cutter or sharp knife to cut the tape. Instead, use a blunt object like a key to cut the tape on the top of the box. With the top open, pull the barrier sideways using the provided handle. Clean the surface for debris and sharp objects. Make an airtight seal in your doorway with the included adhesive patches. To apply the patch, peel off the cover and press the patch into the corner of your doorway reveal. Make sure both bottom corners of the doorway are patched. Your Damn Easy flood barrier also comes with a replacement seal and adhesive patches. Fit the barrier in the bottom of the doorway. If the ratchet handle does not move, do not forcibly pull the handle. Flick the direction switch on the ratchet handle. Then extend the side panels out of the door reveal using the ratchet handle. If the barrier is not tightened enough, the seal will lift the barrier. Repeat the previous step. To secure the ratchet handle in place, flick the direction switch again. Before inflating the seal, first, turn the air retention valve to the open position. Using the pump handle, inflate the seal until the gauge reaches the green portion. When done, turn the air retention valve to the closed position. First, turn the air retention valve to the open position. Deflate the seal by pressing the air release button. If you have questions about these instructions, please visit our website for 24/7 customer support.